Dumelang Lindlord, this is your girl, Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Hi Landlords, we are back with Uthando Nesthembu. Fine. Let us wrap up the last night of the session, right? I could not say anything because I was low-key upset by uMacele. Now, uThobile raised facts that he wanted uMthombeni to respond to. uThobile said uMthombeni said ever since he was young, he knew that he was going to be a polygamist. Even when he was getting married to uMacele, he told the pastor that was going to marry them, or Babu Spanbani, that he wants to get married customarily since he's going to be indoda yesithembu and according to what uMusa has said, uMusa is going to have isithembu, or knew what he was going to have isithembu from the age of 3 years. And now it's sometimes twisted ukuthi lesithembu sibe khona because kuvume uMacele, which begged the question ukuthi should uMacele ushade another 3 years. That's why she agreed to this polygamy, which now made uMacele angry, right? Now in the diary session, it's the session, counseling session, whatever. The question was not necessarily posed to uMacele. The question was posed to uMthombeni, right? And uMacele decided to respond on behalf of uMthombeni. When uMacele responded, girl was like explaining about herself, nan. And then where I found ukuthi izinto zishintshile was when girl was in the diary session now saying omunye uyamdakela and she was unable to say that to uMakhumalo's face, right? And uMakhumalo, the questions that she asked them right there in the diary session in her face. But girl, for some reason, when it comes to telling these wives to their faces, it becomes a challenge, which then answers the question of why don't they like her? They don't like her because when they are all together, she can't tell them things straight. And then when they all move, it is then changed, and then she starts saying some weird things in the diary sessions, right? Ugirl, because bekasha waba ne-session noMthombeni, and right, watshela indoda yakhe the way frustrated nguMakhumalo ngakhona, the way uMakhumalo is acting like she's innocent, the way uMakhumalo brought another woman to sleep with their husband. And my question is, when she did that, you guys had a say. This was your husband. So why are you only raising that now? Why couldn't you stop it then? Because your silence then meant ukuthi you are in agreement with uMakhumalo getting her child the right way or the highway or whatever. And now that did not happen, you are now responding and saying all these things. But the part that disappointed me, ngoMacele rather, as the matriarch, as uNdlunkulu, that she says she is, that she believes she is that as a leader, as a whole leader, you do not disclose izinto zabantu and speaking izinto zabantu in that manner. You are a leader. You want to be seen as a matriarch. You want to protect others. And I think what also happened here that you guys maybe might not be seeing is that in her rebelliousness, she indirectly shot herself on the foot, because now she is the one that looks like a Popeye, that looks like a bitter person, and one might ask ukuthi, why is she retaliating now? She is retaliating now because obviously uMakhumalo has indicated ukuthi umuntu lo ukhe wathi 1 2 3 4 5 ngami, ukhe wangitshela to my face ukuthi they were bragged about me saying ukuthi mina I'm gonna bring children nan. And then how kwenzakalani ke nje mase kungayenzakalanga. And uMacele wanted that conversation to be between her and Makhumalo only. And now that that conversation is out, she feels betrayed by uMakhumalo, forgetting ukuthi she said, if you can watch the first episode when they went to the retreat, she said, this retreat is going to be beneficial because finally I will know why these women hate me. You want to know why they hate you, why they dislike you, what they do, whatever. But when they express izinto ezincane ezenzakalayo, you retaliate and you act up like I don't know what. But girl, like she just blew like a balloon, and I was like, yeah. And also for her to allege that Uma Khumalo had a child or has a child, that also speaks of her saying Uma Khumalo is negligent. Uma Khumalo does not love her child. Uma Khumalo does not take care of her child. And she also says that child did not, it was not Mseleko's child because it's the child that Uma Khumalo came with emendweni, right? Meaning ukuthi Uma Khumalo, when she was 16 or when she was, I don't know how long, because Uma Khumalo married very young, Nomtombeni. According to our understanding, they met when she was around 19, right? So when she was whatever age she was pregnant and they saw her walking nomunye umuntu. Why is it only said today? Like, yo, guys, I don't know. But family secrets are dangerous, and this is what they always say, Wuti. They will always be exposed by one bitter somebody when that person is bitter. And it shows that Umacele has been hurt. Girl nje, I don't know what hurts her. Maybe it's because they have dethroned her indirectly. She is no longer the Ndlunkulu that she thought she was, and that's why she's acting like this. But this situation is making her, I don't know, it's making her look like a bad person. And I feel Uguti, as the matriarch, as the mamkulu, she should not be speaking like this. She should be. I know, Guti, sometimes when you're emotional, you'll burst, but wisdom is knowing, Guti, somewhere, somehow you need to control your emotions. Somewhere, somehow you need to pull back. And more especially because she is a leader, leading these ladies. But yeah, I don't know, guys. It was just hurting for me. Episode, I just felt, Guti, those things that were said were unnecessary. We did not need to know them. If it is true that Uma Khumalo has a child, they need to call her out on being an absent parent, and a parent that makes Umpilo happy, that is present in Pilo's life, that is always posting Umpilo, but can never post her own child. But Umbuyiselo played a video where Uma Khumalo was crying and said to Umtombeni, it's easy for you to say that kuzolunga because you have your own children, but it is difficult for me to grasp that and run with that because I do not have children of my own. And that was in the previous years when Uko still had dreadlocks. Now this begs the question, if she had said that then and it was played on TV and Umacele had seen it, why didn't she just dispute and say, hayi lo unamanga, why afuni attention because siyazi ukuthi ukhe waba nengane? Yo, guys, kuningi. Please do like, share and subscribe and let me know ukuthi nina niyibona kanjani, but like it's a lot. I love you. Peace. Bye.